Hi, and welcome to Family Recipe. My name's Anne, and today we're grilling watermelon. Today we're making one of my husband's favorite summertime dishes, a grilled watermelon salad. I started with a whole seedless watermelon and I cut it into round slices and just took the rind off. And I cut it in half so you have big planks that we can put on the grill easily. So that it doesn't stick to the grill, you can either brush it with a little olive oil or use just some cooking spray. You can get olive oil or canola oil in a can and just spray it on both sides. So I'm going to do that lightly. And just flip and spray the other side. And then I'll do that with the other two pieces. I'm gonna put the watermelon on the grill, and it should take just a couple minutes on each side to get some nice grill marks. My grill was nice and hot, so it only took about a minute per side to get some great grill marks, and the watermelon looks super juicy. Now that the watermelon's off the grill, I'm going to sprinkle it with a little bit of kosher salt and some freshly ground black pepper. Then, since we're going to make this into a salad, I'm going to cube it up. For presentation's sake, you could also use kind of big pieces and sort of stack them up, but we're just eating this for weeknight dinner, so I'm going to cube it up so it's easy to eat. I never would have thought to put salt on my watermelon, but my husband's aunt does it all the time, and it's a great combination, the sweet and salty together. So let's make our salad. I have a bowl of baby spinach here. You could use arugula, like maybe some spring mix, whatever you like. I'm going to put on some of my chunks of grilled watermelon, and then I'm going to top it with some crumbled goat cheese. This is 4 ounces total. This is usually how it comes at the grocery store. I'm going to use maybe a third of this per salad because we love our goat cheese. You could also use feta cheese or even cubed up mozzarella cheese would be really good. Lastly, to dress our salad, you could use olive oil and balsamic vinegar, just pour a little bit over top, or if you're feeling fancy, you could do a balsamic reduction, which I have right here. So I started with about a half a cup of balsamic vinegar in a saucepan on the stove. I brought it to a boil over medium-high heat, and then I reduced it to a simmer, and I stirred it pretty regularly for about 10 minutes. And it was a half cup, and now it's just a couple tablespoons. It really reduces down. Very concentrated flavor, but it's really good. You should try it. A little bit goes a long way, but it's worth it. This salad is juicy, it's creamy, it's sweet and salty, it's crunchy. It's a little bit of everything, but it all works together perfectly. I'm going to serve it tonight for dinner with some grilled vegetables and with my mom's perfect grilled marinated chicken, which is a recipe that I'll be sharing with you soon. Thanks for joining me in my kitchen for another family recipe, and I'll see you again soon.
For the full recipe, check the description box below, and don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Thanks for joining me in my kitchen.